On this millennial review, we're taking a look at the Ryobi Foam Blaster. This is Ryobi's pressure washer adapter to be able to do foaming suds for cleaning things like your boat or your car. So let's go into it, check out just how well it works. So the foaming blaster can attach up to your pressure washer that you already have. It's going to come with this little cup, extension here, and then some all-purpose cleaner that you can run. They do sell this separately, but I'm going to try it out with the car wash of my choice. So I'm going to try it out with the Armor All Shine Wash and Wax. Go ahead, pour a little bit in here. We'll then cut it with water and see how it works out. With the bottle full, we can go ahead, take our attachment, slide it right onto the top. With that on there, you can see the controls are off and to soap. So you attach it right to your pressure washer wand, turn the pressure washer on, flip this to soap, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, it does a decent job of sudsing up the car. Not quite as much foam as I expected, but let's try it with the foaming wash from Ryobi on the other car. With the first car cleaned, we'll try out Ryobi's Foam Blaster all-purpose cleaner on the other car. So we'll put some in, fill the rest up with water, and close it up. We've got the Foam Blaster, let's give it a shot. You can see, it seems to do about the same thing. Not super foamy, but it's definitely giving good coverage. So in all, the Ryobi Foam Blaster works okay. Maybe not as good as some of the other ones out there, but it's nice, it's easy, it's pretty inexpensive, and it seems better made than some of the other cheap ones. Well, thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and leave a comment down below with what you think about this Foam Blaster. Of course, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this into the future. And thank you for watching.